Ladies and gentlemen, it's your boy Ryan Dins, and I'm going to talk about the easiest way to make money in 2025. Now, in the past, I may have talked about crypto a lot, I've talked about dividend stocks. However, I find that there's a much easier way that I see everyone doing now that is the easiest way to make money, and that is to find a skill that you're great at, build an online following one way or another through social media, and then offer to teach people that skill for a high ticket amount, private coaching. I've seen this done on Instagram, you do it on TikTok, you can build an audience on YouTube, Facebook, however you want to do it. And what you do is you find something that you're very, very good at. And you don't even have to be the best at it, you just have to be better than people who don't know anything about it. Just an example is, say you are great at video editing. So make a YouTube channel, make an Instagram about how to edit YouTube videos or how to edit any kind of videos, and then you make them an offer, and a certain amount of people will subscribe to your offer. They say a lot of times, I've been in internet marketing for years, so I understand this, that if you blast out 100,000 emails, and only 1% of the people buy what you're selling, that's 1,000 people. So the bigger that your audience is, the bigger you're gonna be. That's why you always see celebrities starting clothing lines. Like the Kardashian, she started her makeup brand, and now she's a billionaire from it. Well, you say, oh, well, why is she a billionaire? Is she some genius entrepreneur? No, because everybody likes them. I don't know why, because everybody's stupid and they like that dumb stuff. But she had so many people watching her family. She was the only smart one that was like, okay, well, I'll just make an offer, and then a good portion of that audience is going to buy the offer. Now, I'm not saying you're going to be as big as a Kardashian, but if you say get 2,000 people following your YouTube channel, and 10% of people buy what you're selling, that's 200 people. So that's what you got to do. But the hard part, this is the hard part. If it's so easy, why doesn't everybody do it? Well, you have to build an audience, and that takes work. And the best way to build an audience is to build trust with your audience. Tell them that what they want to hear by adding value to their lives. That's what I'm doing on this channel. I'm going to teach everyone here how to make a lot of money for free. And then you might be like, well, what do I need you for if you just told me for free? The thing is, I can coach you how to do it specifically, how I've done it, how my marketing teams in the past have done it. That's the hard part, is to take your particular issue and wrap it in a nice package to present to people. You have to be, everything's got to come together nicely in a neat little bow, and you got to have it all together, and then you have to present your offer in a nice way where people are going to want to buy it. And this is definitely the easiest way to make money in 2025, because who knows with crypto? Crypto, yes, I believe it's going to go up. I believe that Bitcoin will eventually be at least $500,000. But the problem is you can't just buy crypto if you don't have any money. You need a passive income stream, or not even passive, but you need some sort of income stream. If you live in anywhere in the world, you notice that, the whole 9-to-5 lifestyle we've been spoon-fed our whole lives, that our parents told us to work, it's not working anymore. You can work full-time 40 hours a week at a medium income job in this country and be too broke to ever afford a house, let alone invest in Bitcoin, let alone invest in passive income assets like housing and dividend stocks. So you have to be able to earn money the easy way, and this is the easy way in 2025, I'm telling you. There's no easier way. The only difficult part, like I said, is building an audience. That is not that easy. But you have to put in the work to build that audience, and eventually it will come. If you build it, they will come. Feel the Dreams reference right there. So that's all I really have to say about that. If you haven't realized where I've been, I haven't made a video in 4 years on this channel. I got really sick with long... I don't want to say the word because my thing might be flagged, but the thing that everyone was getting a few years ago. It was not fun. I could barely walk for a few years, but we're not going to get too into that. I'm back. It took me a few years, hard work, retraining my nervous system to work correctly because my body was down. But now I'm back better than ever, and everything's going to go well. So make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I got a lot to share with you. I've learned a lot in the last few years. I've made different income streams for myself. It's been fantastic. And thank you. Hit that like and subscribe button. Let's go.